Assalamualaikum all viewers and dear candidates. Today we are going to learn about the summary of ellipse along x-axis and y-axis, that is horizontal and vertical. So first of all we draw the summary of ellipse. We draw right here summary of ellipse. Summary of ellipse along x-axis, horizontal and vertical. Horizontally, first of all, we draw here or along x-axis. So first of all, we draw here along x-axis. These are the point. And here, look here, these points are major axis from the vertex, left side and right side, and these are points are small. Their distance is small comparison with this point, so it means that is horizontally. So if we draw the ellipse, so that points we give the name V1 minus A because that is the left sides, and this will be V2, that is the right sides. And focus we are applying here focus C is 0. C is also equal to AE. We can write A is 0 also F. And here if left side we put here minus C and 0. If we write here F minus AE and 0. Here vertical lines, that is the directrix line. Directrix line is x-axis directrix line. X is equal to plus, here is negative, so we put here A divided by E. And directrix, here a directrix line, here we put x is equal to plus A divided by E. It means that if both are we put plus minus A E divided by E, that is the directrix of along x-axis. And we give here B points, that is 0 and B positive, and here 0 and minus B. That is the ellipse along x-axis. So first of all we find here the center. Number 1, center. Center is C is equal to 0 and 0 because H and K both are 0. And first of all we write their equation. What is the equation? X square divided by A square plus Y square divided by B square is equal to 1. So that is the ellipse equation. Here A must be greater than B. A must be greater than B, and C is equal to A square minus B square. Now the second point, if we are finding here, so that is focus. Focus or foci. So focus is plus minus C is equal to 0. Or we can write F plus minus AE is equal to 0. Both results C is equal to plus minus. We can already done here in the graph and the diagram. After that one we are finding of major axis, then we put major axis, that is the major axis we find, so we will put here Y and Y dash. Y axis, then put Y is equal to 0. if we are finding number 4 equation of minor axis, then we put x is equal to 0. If we are finding minor axis, so we put the horizontal length of major axis. Length of major axis, look here, this is the length of major axis of the ellipse, and here point is A and this one is also A. We add both this one, so A plus A, we can write A plus A, but here is negative, no, ignore this one. So the length of major axis is equal to 2A. And 6, the length of minor axis, so here is B plus B is equal to 2B. So here B plus B is equal to, this is the length of the minor axis. Vertices here is positive 1, positive A plus minus A and 0. These are the vertices. And if we are finding co-vertices, these are the co-vertices. Co-vertices means, so we are finding minor axis, so 0 plus minus B. Co-vertices means we are finding the value of y vertices. These are minor vertices. So question number 9, eccentricity is denoted by E. So that is the symbol, and formula is C divided by A. And we can write the formula also. E is equal to A square minus B square divided by A square under root. We have already done. C is equal to A square minus B square. And number 10, length of latus rectum. That is very important, length of latus rectum of the ellipse. So along x-axis parabola, so we put here 2b square divided by a square. So that is the points. These points are, if we are finding vertical, so just we change here. We put here 0 and a. Now we look here along vertical ellipse or along y-axis. So now the distance between these 2 points are small comparison to the y-axis. Y-axis length are maximum distance between. So because we were finding the value of ellipse along y-axis, so the ellipse are making in this type. Here V1 and V2 are the vertices along y-axis, so that will be 0 and 0 minus A, and here minus 0 and minus B, and here 0 and B. So the equation of this type of equation, x square divided by b square plus y square divided by a square is equal to 1. Condition is same, a greater than b, and c value is equal to a square minus b square. The condition is same. Now if we sketch their directrix line, these are the directrix line. Directrix line along y-axis, directrix line here, directrix line y is equal to plus minus b divided by e, because we are making here b divided by e. Here is positive values, y is equal to plus b divided by e, and here is y is equal to minus b divided by e. These are the directors. If we combine to each other, so we write y is equal to directrix line y is equal to b divided by e. Now the same process the same results. Center, if we are finding center, so center will be equal to 0 0 because h and k are 0 here. So if we are shifted form, we can write in here x minus 0 whole square divided by b square plus y minus 0 whole square divided by a square is equal to 1. So that is the value of h and that is the value of k. And second, if we are finding equation of major axis, if we are finding, then we put here major axis we are finding, then we put x is equal to 0. Then we put x is equal to 0. And third, if we are finding equation of minor axis, then we put y as equal to 0. Number 4, vertices, if we are finding vertices we are finding, so vertices will be 0 plus minus a. Co-vertices, if we are finding co-vertices a, here is co-vertices. Here is b value, is here b and 0, and here minus b and b is equal to 0. Co-vertices will be equal to plus minus b and 0. Number 6, focus. Focus are foci. Foci is denoted f plus 0 plus minus c, and c we can write plus minus ae. Number 7, directrix. Directrix line, if we are finding directrix, and here y is equal to plus minus b divided by e, because we are finding along y axis, so we take the value of x. And 8, eccentricity. If we are finding eccentricity is denoted by e, its formula is c divided by a, and here if we are a square minus b square divided by b square, because we take the value of b values of here the value of x. So the last one, if we are finding latus rectum length of latus rectum is 2a square divided by b. 2a square divided by b. The value of we take along y axis 2a square divided by the value of b. So thank you very much for watching. That is the summary of the ellipse we have done. So these are the basic formula, the basic thing you must be understand, must be remember this point, keep in mind, that is very important. So let's come the next MCQs on this topic. Assalamualaikum. Hello, Assalamualaikum, all viewers and dear students.